Now I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles, claim that he had the golden flask, packed up every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrow.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop 2017. First of all, go to the pirateway.org and then type Photoshop 2017. Or you could just click the link in the description below. You need uTorrent to download the file, and I will also provide a link for that software as well. Now follow my steps. The file should be in the download folder. I have already downloaded it and moved it to my desktop. Hence, I will stop the download now. Now follow my steps carefully. You have to disconnect your internet when you install Photoshop, or else it will cause problems. Look at the instructions if you want to. You will need Winner to extract the files. I will also provide the link for that software. Check your PC whether it is 32 bits or 64 bits. Mine is 64 bits, so I will install 64 bits. Click Yes. It will take some time to install the Creative Cloud products. Don't worry about the black screen. I have speeded up the process. Now comes the important part. So pay close attention to the steps. Go to the Start menu. As you can see, I have started it as trial. Now I am going to activate it. Notice Manage my account and sign in. Close it. Extract the crack. We will use the AMD emulator patch only and nothing else. Click Yes. Search for Adobe Photoshop 2017 and click Install. Go to your Adobe folder in C drive and click this. It is done. Open Photoshop from Start menu. As you can see, Painter has replaced my account and sign in, meaning that Photoshop is activated. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.